Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today we have another update on Hurricane Chatal, or at least you can say for now, Tropical Storm Chatal. And so yesterday we saw a 996 millibar storm, which was heading for the Caribbean and the Lesser Antilles. Well, today I was just on here and I saw a hurricane. I mean, a major hurricane. So we are going to check that out. So firstly, I want to say that today, July 28th, 2019, this looks like a tropical wave, but doesn't look like it's going to form at all. And then here's another tropical wave where we have just heavy storms, but it's not going to form at all. And yeah, and then here's the remnants of Tropical Depression 3, which has been moving very slowly. And it has heavy rains on the top, and it's not enough millibars to be even a storm. It has 1,018 millibars. And yeah, so back on to the hurricane that I was checking. So, go back here. So we are going to play the animation until August 2nd, where you see some development forming near the Bahamas once again. And basically, I think it's going to take the same track as 3, but let's move on. So if we go up to, becomes a tropical depression August 2nd. And then a tropical storm by August 3rd. So right now it's like affecting the Bahamas in this hour right now. And we can see some heavy rains from the east of the storm, and from the west of the storm is not that heavy rains. It's probably just some clouds, but kind of looks like an Andrea storm. So as we move on, it becomes a stronger tropical depression with very heavy rains, but still most of the west. I have to say words sometimes, right? So the southwest side of Chatal does not have any rain. That's probably because of clouds, but obviously this storm looks very big so far. So then it reaches this. So my forecast is going to be, this is when it reaches Category 1, very strong Category 1 with the well identified circulation by now, and some of the storm, it got smaller, but it comes to Category 1 by August 4th, and then Category 2 by August 4th, and so we can see some heavy rains, and it's now becoming like more developed storm than last time. So it like does have the circulation and still making having heavy rainfalls like in the Bahamas, because like some of the outer bands of the storms. And then it gets stronger, but this is still a Category 2. So it's going to be a very strong storm. Then so it's still like, so this storm is supposed to hit major hurricane status by August 5th. So you can't see, but that has, I think, 969 millibars, I think that says. Oh, 958. So obviously, it now become a major hurricane, either Category 3 or 4. And then, so it near misses New York. And then, in the last hour, it gets so strong, it becomes possibly Category 5. But the least I'm saying is a Category 3 because this looks very strong, and the highest I'm saying is probably Category 4, but Category 5 is too extra, and for now. But this season could get more active, and 934 millibars is actually a lot. So, and yeah, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Subscribe, turn on post notifications, and bye.